So this is what it does. This gives you a scaffolding, right? This gives a scaffolding, and you know that most people have their proportion within these two parameters like this, right? But then you look at your model and say, okay, you know, my model has a little bit wider face and shorter nose, right? And the shorter nose maybe it's here, right? And then maybe the mouth is here, the eyes are a little bit farther apart, right? So, but the eyes are going to be here or going to be here. The nose is going to be here or is going to be here. It's not going to be a big variation. It's not going to be a big variation. So, same thing for that, right? When the narrower head, you might tend to have a little bit of a pointy triangle in here rather than a wider triangle like here, like this. Make sense? So you start looking at the alignment between eyes and nose, the type of shape of the head, and so on. The lips, the mouth could be lower, could be a little bit higher. The chin could be pointier, but those are specific characteristic of your subject. These are the typical, and on top of the typical, you can put the specific, right?